Hello and welcome back to the JTECH Game Studios YouTube channel. It's been 4 videos or something since my last voice commentary. So this isn't a full voice commentary. Next video, which could come out next week or the week after. Next week if I'm extremely early. The week after if I'm on schedule, due to be on schedule with my upload schedule. Oh, that's too many schedules. Oh well. So what I've done here is I've just messed around in Unreal Engine 4.2 and I've created a racing game which I am going to turn into a RacingOn sequel. Obviously I'm going to work on this alongside of RacingOn 0.6, get RacingOn 0.6 uploaded so that you can all play it, and then 0.7, 8, 9 and then 1.0. And then after I've released RacingOn's full version or update 1.0, I'll release RacingOn 2 about 2 months after the full version of RacingOn has been released. Actually no, I need to give it some time, so it'll be about maybe 6 to 12 months or 6 months to a year after 1.0 releases. I'll release 2.0. Which is the Unreal Engine version. I think I'm going to do a pattern with RacingOn. I'm going to have the odd numbers, so RacingOn 1 and the 1, 3, 5 and 7, etc. Are going to be Unity versions, as well as maybe a few spin-offs. I might have some of those in Unity as well. And then 2 RacingOn versions 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Are going to be Unreal Engine projects, so yeah, I think that's how I'm going to do it anyway. This video will just have music in, so yeah, my voice isn't going to be around for too much longer, probably about 10 seconds longer or something. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. Enjoy the footage of what I've got, the first track of RacingOn 2.0. Right, enjoy the video. Oh, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family and enemies. I'm not sure, but oh well. See you all in the next video with a full voice commentary.